Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to dive into one of the coolest tools out there for math students, the Desmos Graphing Calculator. Whether you're in high school, college, or just a math enthusiast, Desmos is an absolute game changer. Let's unlock its power together. First up, let's talk about why Desmos is so awesome. Desmos is completely free and accessible online, so you can use it on any device with an internet connection. No more lugging around a bulky graphing calculator. Just open your browser, go to desmos.com, and boom, you're ready to go. One of the most powerful features of Desmos is its ability to graph multiple functions simultaneously. You can input equations directly and watch them come to life in real time. For example, type in y equals x squared and you'll instantly see a parabola. Add another function, say y equals 2x plus 3, and you can see how they intersect. But that's just the beginning. Desmos also lets you customize your graphs. You can change colors, add labels, and even adjust the thickness of your lines. This makes it super easy to differentiate between multiple functions at a glance. Next, let's explore sliders. Sliders are a fantastic way to visualize how changing variables affect your graphs. Say you have the equation y equals a times x squared. You can create a slider for a and watch how the graph stretches and shrinks as you move the slider. This dynamic visualization can make complex concepts much easier to grasp. Desmos isn't just for graphing functions. You can also use it to create tables, plot data points, and perform statistical analysis. If you're working on a project or need to analyze data for a class, Desmos has got you covered. Another great feature is the Desmos Activity Builder. Teachers can create interactive lessons and activities that students can complete online. It's a great way to make math engaging and interactive, whether you're learning in the classroom or remotely. And let's not forget about the Desmos community. You can find a treasure trove of shared graphs, activities, and resources created by other users. It's like having a global math support group right at your fingertips. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make the most out of Desmos. First, use the zoom and pan tools to explore different parts of your graph. Second, take advantage of the built-in calculator for quick calculations. And finally, save your work by creating a free Desmos account. This way, you can access your graphs from any device, anytime. So there you have it, folks. The Desmos Graphing Calculator is an incredibly versatile and powerful tool for any math student. Give it a try and see how it can revolutionize your math studies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and happy graphing!